Hey guys, I received my Cat Kidston bag. Unboxing time.
Hey guys, hey vlog,
Wow!
welcome to my guys.
Look! May bago na akong bags.
Bags.
Ay, ba't
Bag.
ang liit?
Swap ka. Let's swap. I'll take that.
Pang baby.
That's for me. Thank you.
Hey vlog, welcome to my guys.
Welcome to my vlog. I received my new bag, Cat Kidston. Oh, nalawa mo ganyan na. Oh, it's so lawa.
Kumita mo. It's so
Oh,
loud.
look.
It's lawa-lawa.
Maliit lang ko tignan sa labas, pero look inside.
Look.
It's so spacious.
Look,
Tissues.
it's suspicious. It's suspicious. Look inside the unag.
Oh,
And
look.
then you can put anik-anik. Gakarantong. Unit.
Tapos, dapat
And,
pakit na jirwar. Oh.
You know your son, you see your son, it's katakatawa.
My son is laughing.
Katakatawa.
Is katakatawa ka, no?
Hello vlogs, welcome to my guys.
Welcome to my guys. Hello, vlogs. Welcome to my guys. Baliktad. Yay! I have a new bag now. So I can wear it tomorrow when I go to work. It's nice. May kulay na yung dindi niya.
Yung mas mami.
Ganang-ganangan nga. Should have put one for me as well.
The color is nice. I like the color.
Huli anak.
Cherry. It's like a cherry
Cherry
flower.
blossom.
Cherry blossom.
Cherry tomato.
Oh. This is only 33 pounds. They're on sale. I'm not going to buy if it's 55. They're on sale. Yay!
Okay. And your vlog now.
You see? Thank you guys for watching. Bye!
Please click
Please like,
Subscribe.
share, and subscribe.
Like here and subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!